now you're both looking out. You had me fooled for a while today. I thought there's only one chick. Where'd the other one go? But now you're both looking at me. Hello. Oh. Trying to figure out what to do about coming out. I say it's a little too late in the evening, but that's just me. You're good. You see Charlie? He doesn't even see you right now, I don't think. That's Lily barking over there, the dog next door. She has a funny little bark. Well, she's a big golden retriever, but she doesn't sound like one. Wait a minute. So which one of you, one of you does have, yeah, your faces definitely look different. That's what I thought when I was looking at the pictures, but one of you's skinnier and one of you's fluffier. You're being so still.